As the U.S. government shutdown continues, anxiety rises over what it could mean for two programs that provide food assistance to millions of no and low-income Americans. The USDA, which manages programs like SNAP and WIC, has seen 40,000 of its workers furloughed as part of the shutdown, as reported by The Hill. Both programs stand to reach a funding crunch depending on how long the shutdown lasts. For SNAP, the runway is longer as funds are doled out monthly and recipients have already gotten their October balances. But even if the shutdown ends in October, November benefits could be delayed because of staffing impacts. But WIC is distributed by states annually, and as this shutdown comes at the start of fiscal year 2026, those funds have not been released yet. According to the National WIC Association, the program estimates it has 1 to 2 weeks worth of funding available. National WIC President Georgia McKell says that a shutdown lasting more than a few weeks will, quote, needlessly jeopardize the health and nutrition of millions of pregnant women, new mothers, infants, and young children who rely on WIC. Now, a potential loss of funding for those two programs also impacts the hundreds of food banks across the country who project to receive a spike in demand if the shutdown continues.
We're anticipating that it is going to increase demand for services. We absolutely will. I think it's just going to depend on how long the shutdown lasts.
Southwest Virginia is disproportionately impacted, with 1 in 7 facing food insecurity, the highest rate in the state of Virginia.
Our food insecurity numbers are already high in Southwest Virginia, so any additional burden financially or lack of benefits on our neighbors immediately impact the way that we think organizationally about how we're going to offer services and allocate food resources. When we know we'll see additional individuals that are going to need that assistance, the longer the shutdown goes.
Both Feeding Southwest and the Roanoke Rescue Mission each say they're committed to meeting whatever need may arise within the communities they serve, and do encourage folks to consider donating food, money, or their time if able. Reporting in Roanoke, Sam Graham, WFXR News.